Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will teach you how to build another guess my number game. So let me show you how the game works. Run Python 3 guess my number. So I'm asked to take a guess. So I need to guess a number between 1 and 20. Alright, let's try. 3, too low, 7 too low, 9 too low, 12 too low, it was 15. Let's try again. 10, y, 7, and then good job, guess my number in 2 guesses. So that's basically how the game works. Let's see how we can hold it. Going to VS Code. So first of all, comment here. Say this is guess the number game. Alright. How import random module, then I will create secret number variable and it will generate a number between 1 and 20. Okay, put some space, then I will print thinking of number between 1 and 20. Some space again, then let's comment. Let's ask the player to guess at least 5 times. So we're going to create a for loop. For guesses taken in range 6. Then we can print take the guess. Then we go ask the user, take input from the user. Then if the guess less than the secret number, we can print your guess is too low. So try again. And if guess is higher than the secret number, we're gonna print your guess is too high. Try again. Finally, then we go break here. In case the player get the right number, then we get out of the for loop. If guess is equal to secret number, print. Good job. You guessed my number in create a string here. Guess taken. Guesses. ls we can print number I was thinking of was, and then we tell the player write the secret number. Okay, that's it. Now let's run our code. Let's run it from here. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 20. Take a guess. 4, too low, try again. 6, too low. 10, too low. Too low. 15. Good job. You guess my number in 5 guesses. So, wow, I got lucky. That's how game works. So I hope you get some value from this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you again, and have a great day. Bye bye.